In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge two people into one photo using ChatGPT in a simple, fast, and beginner-friendly way. This is a great technique if you want to combine two separate images into one realistic photo that looks natural and believable. Whether you want to make a shared portrait, create a family-style image, or just experiment with AI photo editing, this method can help you do it quickly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI and photo editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT on your browser. Once you're on the main screen, look for the plus icon. This is where you can upload images into the chat. Click on the plus icon and then select the first image. After that, hold Ctrl on your keyboard to select both images you want to merge. Make sure both images are uploaded properly before moving to the next step. Once the images are added, you need to type the prompt carefully. Use this exact prompt. Please merge both people into one realistic, natural-looking photo, as if they were photographed together at the same time. Do not alter their identity. The final result should look like a genuine photograph. This prompt is important because it tells ChatGPT to keep both people looking like themselves while blending them into one natural image. After typing the prompt, press Enter to start the generation process. In some cases, it may take 2 to 3 tries before you get the best result, so if the first version is not perfect, don't worry. Simply run the prompt again and let it generate another variation. That usually helps improve the final output and gives you a more realistic-looking merged photo. Once the image is generated, review it carefully to make sure both people look natural and the photo feels authentic. If needed, you can try again until you get the exact result you want. You can also use this same process for other creative photo edits, as long as you upload the images and give a clear prompt. And that's how you merge two people into one photo using ChatGPT. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more ChatGPT editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.